We all know that beauty is in the eye of the beholder. But did you know that there are simple habits you can do every day to instantly become more attractive? Enhancing your allure could be as simple as making a few small adjustments. You don't need to completely transform your look to catch people's attention. In fact, it's the subtle changes that often make the biggest impact and effortlessly boost your attractiveness. Forget about making expensive purchases, such as branded clothes and shoes, and having over-the-top transformations. Gone are the days of thinking that only physical alterations like getting a tan are what really make you attractive. Now it's all about the small, easy, and subtle adjustments to yourself. Certain habits can make you more attractive without making you look like you're trying too hard. These habits have the amazing ability to effortlessly captivate others, whether it's someone special or just grabbing attention as you make an entrance. And the best part? They won't cost you much time, energy, or resources. So what are these habits that can instantly make you more attractive? Well, we'll be sharing 11 of them in this video. Let's dive right into it. Number 1. Developing your personal style. It's so tempting to follow the latest trends or rely on expensive labels to impress others, right? But there's a better way that the truly captivating individuals follow, and it's to march to the beat of their own style drum. Think about it. Notice how attractive people dress based on what they love and express their unique selves. This is because staying true to yourself always makes you shine brighter than any trend or brand ever could. It's all about adding that personal touch. So, embrace colors and clothes that speak to your true self. You can even be bold, take risks, and try new styles that are out of your comfort zone. Just wear what brings out the best version of you, because that's what others find most attractive. Number 2. Being calm in times of crisis. People who we find attractive have this amazing ability to understand how their actions affect others. This is why they somehow manage to stay calm and composed, even when things get tough or there's a conflict. Instead of getting all defensive or playing the victim when faced with challenges, they focus on finding solutions. They look for ways to resolve a problem that works for everyone while keeping their emotions in check. It's like they have this inner calmness and confidence that's so captivating. And that just pulls people towards them. Why? See, we're naturally drawn to those who can handle difficult situations with a level head and open communication. So if you want to become more attractive, it's important to keep your emotions in check. When things feel overwhelming, just take a deep breath and remind yourself of what truly matters in those high-pressure moments. Remember, people can't resist the strength that shines through your calm and composed demeanor. Number 3. Doing regular exercise. Making a commitment to their physical development is one key thing that sets the most attractive individuals apart. They make tough choices, embrace hard work, and willingly sacrifice to develop their bodies, knowing that each workout brings them closer to their ultimate goals. But here's the thing. To them, exercise is not about chasing the highest number of reps they can do or striving for bulging biceps. Instead, it's about developing the feeling of being comfortable in your own skin. And more importantly, it's about working towards becoming the best version of yourself every single day. And you know what? Physical strength is just one facet of this transformative journey. Learning to appreciate how far you've got is equally important. Developing an exercise habit is not simply about conforming to society's standards of attractiveness. It's also about feeling strong, healthy, and confident in your own skin. Number 4. Constantly putting a smile on your face. We express a multitude of smiles in various situations. There's the polite smile that emerges when someone makes us laugh, and the picture-perfect pearly white smile that we use when taking photos. But those who are attractive seem to have developed a habit of smiling. Their faces appear to be etched with permanent grins, and they eagerly invite others to join in their happiness. Know that every time we show off a real smile, not only do we radiate beauty and confidence, but our positive energy also becomes contagious, drawing others closer to our warm aura. So, let the world witness your joy and let your emotions sparkle. Think about the wonderful things life has in store for you, and smile. When you do this, people will be naturally attracted to your magnetic presence. Number 5. Showing off your confidence. People are naturally drawn to those who exude unwavering self-assurance, no matter what others think. Confidence is like a magnet that instantly attracts people. It comes from deep within, giving us the courage to express our true emotions without fear. It also empowers us to face our fears head-on and show the world our amazing selves. When we stand tall and confident, our mere presence uplifts those around us. So hold your head high. Nothing captivates people quite like a fearless sense of confidence and unshakable conviction. And speaking of confident, number 6, having a confident posture. We often underestimate the impact our posture has on the impression we make. We know lounging or slouching feels comfortable, but it can unintentionally give off a sense of nonchalance. This is why paying attention to our posture is so important. It helps us project confidence and composure, which really makes us more attractive. And let me tell you about the power of alpha posture, which is a simple way to boost your confidence and presence. You see, alpha personalities have this unique blend of assertiveness and dominance that comes across in their body language. They hold their heads high, exuding power and maintaining a composed attitude. It's as if they command the space around them without overwhelming others. And that's what makes them so appealing to everyone around them. People can't help but admire and pay attention to them because they have this unforgettable aura. So, if you want your body language to reflect self-assuredness, remember to stay relaxed and upright. Avoid slouching or awkward positions. It's a simple gesture that truly emphasizes your true self and significantly enhances your attractiveness among those around you. Number 7. Looking at people with kindness. The way you look at others has a big impact on how people find you attractive, both physically and emotionally. If you look at someone in a way that's too intrusive, it can actually push them away. But if you give them just the right kind of attention, it can leave a really positive impression. That's why people who are captivating are so thoughtful when they give attention to others. They just have kind eyes, you know? So let your kind and compassionate gaze be visible to everyone you meet. If you want to enhance your attractiveness, try expressing it by looking into their eyes. Show your eagerness and captivation through your body language. It will be like saying, "I'm actually really intrigued and want to learn more about you." A kind look makes you simply irresistible. Number 8. Really listening to what people say. Engaging with someone who doesn't seem to be listening to you can be pretty off-putting, right? So if you want to make a lasting positive impression, it's crucial to show that you're a good listener. But it's not just about hearing. It's about truly understanding and connecting on a deeper level. By genuinely being interested in what others say, you draw them closer to you. Not to mention you also have more enriching conversations and build meaningful connections. What's more, research from Harvard University showed that people love talking about themselves, and being heard triggers a surge of feel-good hormones like dopamine. This means when you give others a safe space to open up, whether it's in person or online, there's this undeniable chemistry that gets developed between you two. So, by actively listening and showing that you're paying attention, you not only make others feel valued, but also create this magnetic attraction between you both. Number 9. Constantly fueling your drive and ambition. You now know that beauty goes beyond what meets the eye. It comes from within. And those who captivate others with their charm are the ones who chase their dreams with determination. The people who take action in pursuit of their goals have irresistible appeal. So, to make you look more alluring, pursue endeavors that ignite your passion. Let your aspirations drive you to showcase the limitless heights you can reach. Number 10. Being conscious of the tone of your voice. Do you ever wonder if some voices are more appealing than others? Well, it turns out that people have their own vocal preferences. However, research suggests that certain tones are generally considered more attractive. For men, slower and deeper voices often command respect and draw attention. On the other hand, women with the most alluring voices tend to have that delightful high-pitched sound. So, if you want to stand out and be more appealing, try adjusting the tone of your voice. Speak confidently, play around with different tones, and see the difference it makes. The way you speak can significantly influence how others perceive and interact with you. Embrace the right tone, and you can become absolutely irresistible. Number 11. Being true to yourself. Being authentic is really captivating. This is why the most appealing individuals are the ones who stay true to themselves in every situation. For example, whether they're meeting a stranger or chilling with their closest friends, they always show their genuine selves, instead of pretending to be someone they're not. Sadly, A lot of people struggle with this, especially when they're socializing. They feel the need to fit into certain group roles, which means they have to sacrifice their true selves and their genuine interests. Instead of following their own desires, they end up adopting different personalities and doing things that don't align with who they really are. Also, the most captivating people are the ones who never try to outdo others. Rather, they challenge and surpass themselves. They let go of the facades and barriers that hide their true essence, and they effortlessly communicate without any doubt or fear of judgment from others. Basically, those who embrace authenticity have this captivating presence that just connects with everyone they meet. So let's just embrace our authenticity and be genuine in every aspect of our lives. It's when we stay true to ourselves that we really shine, you know? Here are 2 more videos you may find interesting. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share the video with your friends, and for more interesting videos like this, subscribe to the channel.